quarantine. So it's currently 9:20. I'm gonna go do my hair, put some clothes on, and then we're gonna get ready together. And I wanted to show you basically kind of what I do every day, kind of my routine, and yeah, just share that with you guys. So I hope you guys like it. Hi guys, I'm back. So I got changed, blow dried my hair, sort of, and now I'm gonna do my makeup. I've got my lemon water with me. I always need water in the morning. Like I have like 2 cups of lemon water in the morning, and then I don't really get hungry until the afternoon, so I'm not gonna have any breakfast or anything to eat just yet. So yeah, let's get ready. Okay, so firstly I use a chamomile face cream. So I really like this just because it's all natural and it's organic, and I just think it's so nice, and chamomile has always been really like soothing for your skin, so I do use this one. And then if I'm not wearing makeup, like sometimes I do wear makeup and sometimes I don't, so if I'm not wearing makeup I'll use the rejuvenating gel with rose on my face, because it just makes your skin so much brighter and really nice. But the thing is, it's a gel, so it takes a long time to dry and it's quite thick, so I can't wear that with makeup, so I'm not going to use that today, but that is what I would use if I don't wear makeup. And before I go to bed, I put on my spot cream, because as you can tell I've had a bit of a flare up, not sure why, but I'm just going to go with it for now. I don't really care, like I'm just so used to having bad skin now that honestly I just don't care anymore. So before I go to bed I use a spot cream and this seaweed and aloe vera eye gel, which is really nice because the spot cream is quite drying because it has retinol in there. Which is quite dehydrating for your skin. So kind of I don't know why all of a sudden though, it's my eyes that are dry, not like, there's a bit patches of my skin on my face that are dry, but it's mainly around my eyes and they get really sore. So I use the seaweed and aloe vera eye gel, which I find really, really nice. And then I just use a little lip balm. They're all from the same place, but you can get these on Amazon as well. When I used to live in Bristol, there's a shop here that actually has all of these products. So you just go to that house store and get it. But since I moved to Birmingham, I just order it all on Amazon. So, but I'll link everything below, and I'll try and get the name of the shop, but I forgot it, so I'm gonna have to ask my mum. So yeah, let's get started. My dad always taught me that when you put on face cream, you're gonna push your face up, because like if you're dragging your face down like every day, your skin is going to get really saggy and stuff. So I just try and push upwards, but sometimes I just forget. But yeah, a good tip for those of you that wanted to know that. So this is the finished look. It's just a natural look. I don't really do much. I don't put much on my eyelashes. A little bit of lip gloss and blush. I think it makes it look more natural. If I want to feel extra cute or feel like, you know, good for the day, I put some perfume on. I know that we're staying inside and you might find that a bit weird, but I just feel like if you smell cute, then you feel cute. So, oh, it smells so good. So I use C by Giorgio Armani and it's running out. But I've used that for like three years. It's just honestly my favourite perfume ever. Now I'm gonna finish off my lemon water and then we're gonna get to studying. So basically with my university, we still have our exams in May. As of now, we still have exams, but they're all just online. So I've just been studying really and revising because it's in less than 4 weeks now is my first exam. So I'm a bit nervous for that. If I didn't have something to focus on or I didn't have something to get up and do, I think I would really like lose my mind in quarantine just because I need a routine. So I think I'm actually quite grateful to be able to revise and study and have my exams, just because it is nice to be able to do things every day and focus on something. So yeah, I'm gonna get studying. I'm gonna show you my study space and like where I do it and kind of like my work and how I revise. And yeah, hope you guys like it. So in my study space in my house, so I use the office to do all my work and my revision. So I study dental hygiene and therapy at university, and I'm basically going to show you kind of a little bit of what that entails and what I study basically and how I do it. So first off, I have this book here, which is really cute. It has goals on there and it kind of fits the vibe of what I use it for. So I basically use it as a to-do list. So I write every night, I write a to-do list for the next day. So today I'm focusing on Introduction to Adult Restorative Dentistry, and that's based on kind of how to do fillings and how to drill teeth. And this one is more to do with the general structure and the anatomy of the body, and then also kind of more specifically relating to dentistry as well. And then tooth development, maybe go for a walk and maybe film some cute TikToks because that's always fun to do. So that's the first thing. So this is my IARD book. So I have everything out here the night before for the next day. So IARD, like I said, is basically kind of based on how we drill teeth, we learn how to do fillings. So yeah, that's my book here. That's what I'll learn from. And this one is just like a general kind of how to do notes. I'll do some drawings if I have to. The first module I'm doing today is biomed, and biomedical science is more to do with the structure and the anatomy of the body, like what I need to know specifically for my course. So here are a few of my diagrams and drawings that I've kind of already made that I'm going to show you. All my drawings up here. So this is for biomedical science. So this is the anatomy one I was talking about. So we have to learn the skull, we have to learn the bones of the skull, we have to learn each specific bone, what it does, how it joins to the face, like where it is. And then I have also one here as well. I'm more of like a visual learner, so I also use this whiteboard here. So I put all of the stuff on there. I use the whiteboard pens. I teach myself the subjects so that I'm more able to learn, because I feel like if you're able to teach it to someone, then you know what you're talking about, you know the content. So yeah, I use that and it's really helpful for me. It might be helpful for some of you guys out there studying that still have exams. So definitely try and maybe use this. I got it from Amazon, or I think it was eBay, and it was £15. And it came with like whiteboard pens and the rubber and everything, so it is really good. I have my timetable. Normally it's up there, but I want to show you guys. I mark off each day that I do because it kind of helps me to count down the days for my exams, which are here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this one is a competency, so it's a practical exam, which we obviously can't do because we're not at university, so that will just be postponed till later. So I have that there to literally show where my exams are and what I need to do. I have this book here, so for a break, if I'm a bit bored, I'll read my book. Not bored, kind of stressed and want to like relax for a bit. I have my headphones if I need them. A top up of my lemon water with my cute mug, and for Nadia. My stationery box with the glues, the pens that I use for these diagrams. And then I also have my notes pulled up. And oh, that's Friends. Who doesn't love Friends on Netflix? So that's kind of what I'll kind of learn from today. And yeah. Okay, so now it's time for breakfast because I was getting a bit hungry. So, I don't know if you've seen on my story, if you follow me on Instagram, but I just love feta cheese and avocado and just the whole olives and vibes, and it's just so good. So basically, I'm going to show you how I kind of do it. I'm going to make it for me and my mum and basically show you guys what I do. I'm so excited because like, this is what I have literally every day for breakfast, and I could have feta cheese for breakfast, lunch and dinner. Like, it's just, I can't explain it, I just love it. Okay, so first thing is sourdough bread. Oh, it's the best thing in the world. We love this bread. So basically, because it's quite long, I'm gonna cut it with a knife and put it in the toaster. Yummy, yummy, yummy. And then, as it's toasting, I'll do and like prepare the rest. Wow, I sound like a chef. I'll prepare the rest while I am putting the toast in the toaster, waiting for that to toast. It's not toast in the toaster, it's bread in the toaster. You should know this, Nadia. So, how do we prepare our meal? Here's one I made earlier. I swear to God, I just crack myself up sometimes. Right. Okay, so first thing, I'm gonna put salmon. This is like smoked salmon. It's already like cooked and it's just sliced up for you. And you basically cut it up and put it on the side. Anyway, so that's the salmon. Now, next thing is rocket because it's very healthy for you. So that's the rocket. And we have some olives, which I'm gonna put on the side. Now we put our olives in garlic and olive oil to make it like last and like marinate in there. And it just gives it that extra taste, do you know what I mean? And it's just, oh, it's so good. So that's why it's in a container, if you guys were wondering. Oh, I even forgot to put the bread down. Am I that stupid? I'd be such a bad chef. Okay, and then we've got the feta cheese. The most amazing thing in the world. I just don't think I could live without this, honestly. So what we do, we take out the whole block of feta, it's a new packet, and we also put it in a container with olive oil and garlic because again, it just has that whole vibe, it keeps it intact. I mean, why am I showing you feta cheese in a container? That's a bit weird. Olive oil, we're going to add to that. There's already got garlic in there, so that's fine. Some herbs. Some mixed herbs we're going to add as well because that just gives it extra flavours. So I will show you what it's like in the box after. It's basically the final, the masterpiece is here. And yeah, so we just dip from that every day. So I'm going to put some of this on our plates. We only have 2 avocados left, so we need to go, bread's ready. We actually need to go shopping. I'm gonna add the hummus on the side as well because that just gives it, again, more flavour to this whole breakfast. I wanna see you guys' like breakfast copies if you're gonna try and do this at home. Like, please tag me, I wanna see what it turns out like. I feel like I'm inspiring people. Okay, so I'm gonna chop the avocado now. Now, this is like, oh no, it's not a soft avocado, that's so annoying. Never mind, we'll work with it. Bread is nicely toasted. That is our breakfast done and I'm going to show you. This is our breakfast. So I'm just going to eat this now, yummy. And I'll reconvene with you guys back when I'm studying. So I've kind of done my revision for today. I've just been kind of working on what I wanted to do, kind of getting everything done from my to-do list. I haven't gone for a walk. I might do that still because it is still a bit sunny. I'm just going to go walking around the neighbourhood, just get some fresh air really. So basically I want to show you the little walkway because it's just so pretty. Look, there's there. Back there as well. It goes in a little circle and it's just really cute and you can hear the birds chirping and I just think it's such a nice like get away to just think about things and like try and stay positive, because in quarantine, if you're not doing anything, it can really like get your mood down. And for me, with my revision and studies, I am doing a routine, I have that all there, but it is really, really difficult to stay focused and stay motivated to keep at that desk and keep on revising. So it is really nice to come for a walk and just kind of get out from that, because I have been quite stressed with my studies, but it's worth it. So I just got home from my walk. I'm probably gonna just sit down, read my book for a while, and yeah, just kind of relax, detox. So yeah, that's basically what I do every day. I just get up, I do my revision, go for walks, do some fun TikToks sometime. I'm kind of always just kind of stressed about my studies, but revision. So I do sometimes feel a bit like drained, but we just got to stay positive in this time, do things that we enjoy doing, watch things that we like, pick up a new hobby, learn a new language, like just do things that you wouldn't normally do to keep your mind focused. That's what I would say. But yeah, hope you guys liked my vlog, and hopefully I'll do more soon. Bye.